Yeah. CPL. May nagkakain. Yan. Hi guys! Naayos ko yung gimbal kasi nakalimutan ko na rin yung screw ko para malagay ko siya sa may tripod. I'm just kind of worried na baka malaglag kayo. Nandito ulit ako sa school. Susundo. So habang nag-aantay ako kay Aiden, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung nabili ko kahapon sa Amazon. I ordered this one. This is from Newer. This is a ND filter para sa DJI. I wanna try it. Kasi minsan napapansin ko kapag nasa labas ako, tapos let's say kapag sobrang tindi ng araw, medyo blown out yung footage nakuha ng DJI. So nabasa ko na kung gusto ko daw na medyo mas less yung liwanag, I need to put an ND filter. Yun yung itsura niya. Para siyang wide lens ng Osmo Pocket. So ilalagay lang siyang ganyan. Let's see. Yan. Oh, okay. Dilim siya. Nakita nyo, guys? As in, diba? So, this is nice kapag, let's say, pupunta ng beach or let's say, kapag ganyan katanghalian tapos sobrang liwanag, this is gonna be so helpful para hindi ma-blown out yung itsura ng video. Kasi minsan parang super bright na nung sky. Kung napapansin nyo yun sa mga videos ko or kahit i-check nyo sa mga ibang videos ng DJI Osmo Pocket, usually yun yung problem. But yeah, ito, nakalagay ngayon yung 16. Ang tanggalin ko ulit. Medyo mahirap na siyang tanggalin. Okay. Mahirap siyang tanggalin. Kailangan kapag tinanggal ko siya, nasa safe space ako kasi may tendency na malaglag siya. Tulad nito, nalaglag na siya. Ang nabili ko, ito yan guys. Lagay ko lang siya dito. Ito yung itsura niya. Meron siyang 6 na ND filter. Actually, hindi siya 6. 4 lang. 4 lang na ND filter. Then, isang CPL, yung parang polarizer. And then, may isang UV. This one. Helpful daw siya. Yun ang sabi sa akin. Hindi ko pa siya natatry. Pero from what I've seen online, this is a must-have if you have a DJI Osmo Pocket. Meron ako mga ND filter sa camera, sa mga lenses ko. And since gamit ko is itong Osmo Pocket na madalas, might as well na bilang ko rin ng ND filter. Kasi nga, super nice siya. By the way, today pala, punta kami ng Abu Dhabi. Ikukwento ko na sa inyo mamaya kung bakit kami mag-Abu Dhabi today. For now, I need to pick up Aiden. What's so cool?
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Open twice. No.
Can we go now, my love?
Yeah.
Okay. Parang amoy sulog na. We're having lamb chops for lunch. Nagawa rin ako ng avocado salad. Nakabili ka avocado, ma? Look at this. Big avocado.
Hindi naman silang naka. Okay lang na. Ang ganda ng ulo.
It's the lamb chops. Ito yung lunch. I have the lamb chops and avocado salad. Titikman ko muna itong ginawa kong avocado salad. This is the lamb chops. Lamb chops. Itong avocado salad, hindi dapat ito ganito ka-ripe. Yung avocado dapat medyo matigas pa ng konti. Para hindi siya parang tunaw. Mas masarap kapag gano'n. Yung medyo matigas-tigas pa yung avocado. Pero masarap din naman to. Sa lamb chops, ito ang pinaka-favorite ko na part. This one. Ayan. Kaya yung pinaka-the best na part ng lamb chops. Super lasa. Okay guys, balik tayo dun sa nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na today is mag-Abu Dhabi kami. Dalhin ko lang yung mga kids dun sa Team Lab. Nakita ko lang yung place na yun sa TikTok actually. May nagsabi na maganda daw dun dalhin yung mga kids, lalo na kapag weekdays. So, napag-isipan ko na dalhin yung mga kids tomorrow. Yun yung reason kung bakit kami mag-Abu Dhabi. Dahil dun sa specific place na yun. Hindi na pala namin sunduin si Zandre. So after namin sunduin si Zandre, balik kami dito sa Glet just to drop his stuff. Yung school bags, lunch box, and then after that, drive na papunta Abu Dhabi.
That's supply. What is here?
Come on!
This is my first supply.
Oh, you cannot bring a ball, Kuya.
What?
There's no...
Talk about flower below.
Hey, there is no place for you to play ball there.
Why?
Aiden, you're not gonna bring your pillow. We're only staying there for one night. There's no place for that. No, we cannot bring flower pillow.
Oh, yeah, touch that.
It's okay. Nothing will happen. Come on. You cannot play ball there, silly.
Okay, let me get some more supplies.
Si Aiden, gusto niyang dalhin yung flower pillow niya. Kasi kapag natutulog yun, meron siyang specific spot doon na hinahawakan. So, gustong-gusto niyang hinahawakan yun. Dadalhin daw niya.
Chickens and my Stitchy boy.
You wanna bring Stitch? Ito lang yung dadalhin kong suitcase. Since it's only for a night. Just one suitcase.
Chicken? That's not the button.
Like clothes, for example.
Then I put it here.
Ito dapat yung dadalhin kong bag. Kaso, piling ko maliit. So, ito na lang. Suitcase.
There's something important to that. This. That's important because you don't need to waste your money. So that's important. Yeah, Mama. Steps. So where am I going to put steps?
For one night, piling ko ang dami kong pinak. Hindi, I mean kasi yung mga toothbrush, yung mga sabon nila, pajama, pantulog, yung mga extra stuff. You ready for Abu Dhabi?
Oh!
Ready, guys?
Yeah.
Plano ko umalis 4 o'clock eh.
Tapos, ano oras makakarating?
Ano yan? 1.5 hour.
Yeah.
Let's go to Abu Dhabi. You ready? Come on. Okay, get in.
Oh my god. This is so cute. This is so small.
There you go.
Oh my goodness.
This is our home for tonight.
Still have slow screen.
Let's see.
Screen.
You know the funny thing? We used to live in that building. That one there. We used to live there and now we're back here. Let's see the view. There's a view. Wait, let me just check the view. Okay. So we have this view. Careful, guys. Hey, careful, Aiden. Welcome to Abu Dhabi. This is Reem Island. So, let's see. This is the living room. This is the kitchen. Maliit lang siya. Dining area. Living area. And it has 1 bedroom, I think. Is it? This is what? Ooh, okay. So, this is the bedroom. Okay, sakto. Kasya kaming 3 dyan. And they even have balcony. Oh no, it's just this. Oh, they have extra bed here. Folding mattress. So, bedroom. Yes! Don't. You have shoes, my love.
Can I use screen now?
Yeah,
Now?
yeah.
So where's the iPad? What happens to the TV?
What? So, it's small, but it's cute. Yeah.
What happens if I go here? Couldn't access the marketplace.
Oh my goodness. Grabe, ang haba na din drive ko, ah. So, it's now 7 o'clock. Mag-o-order na lang kami. Ayoko na lumabas kasi pagod na ako mag-drive. So, mag-o-order in na lang kami ng food. And stay na lang kami dito. Oh, I can see someone kayaking. Nakikita nyo ba? May nagkakayak doon. Ewan ko kung ma-zoom ko kayo. Wait. I'll try to zoom in. Yeah, but yeah, somewhere there. Ewan ko kung tama yung pinipinpoint ko, but yeah, may nagkakayak. Yung ko na lumabas, tinatamad na ako mag-drive, guys. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga pwedeng ma-order here. What do you guys want to eat?
Some pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. Pizza. I love pizza. Jollibee, pizza, or
Burger? No, you don't like burger? Okay, so it's either pizza, Jollibee, or chicken nuggets daw yung gusto nila. Let's see. Selfie queen. Pati pagkape, pag inom ng... Pati pag inom ng tea, sini-selfie.
Video pa ako.
Video ko pa, ma. Anyway, chika muna tayo while I'm waiting for our food. So, nag-check ako sa booking.com. Yung mga hotel prices dito, actually, ng mga mamahal. And for one night, parang hindi justifiable na mag-spend ng ganong amount. So, for example, dito sa Airbnb na nakuha namin, this is only like 500? 520. And you have one bedroom, you have your living area, may kitchen. Diba? Compare sa, I think it's called Yas Island? No, Yas Rotana. Kasi dito kami sa may Reem Island. So, malapit lang to doon sa pumuntahan namin tomorrow, which is sa Diat Island. Yung nakita ko sa Yas Island, 500, and room lang siya. So, mas better yung Airbnb, diba? Kapag nagta-travel ako, madalas ko talagang ginagamit yung Airbnb kasi mas malaki yung space. Lalo na kapag may mga kasama akong kids. Minsan gumagamit din ako ng hotel kapag mag-isa lang ako or like, walang mga Airbnb na nice. Sa hotel din naman, pero ako mas prefer ko talaga yung Airbnb kaya sa mga hotels. Lalo na if you need some space. Why do I look so thin? Charot. Alam nyo guys, feeling ko maliligo muna ako. Gawa mo. Ito na rin yung food. Okay, we're gonna have dinner. Ang bango. May Pilipinas. We have the tofu, chicken, and this. Ang bango ng amoy. Okay.
Umuha ka, ha?
Guys, let's eat now. Come on here. Let's have dinner now.
Diyan kayo. Ito si San.
What's that, Aiden? What can you see? Can you explain to them what can you see there?
I see soul,
Souls, yeah.
and I see purple thing.
Purple, but this is crinkles. What can you see there?
It has soul. It's black, and there's some gray, and the gray is like.
Okay, let's try it. Ako na ito, guys. Chocolate crinkles. Papatingin ko sa kanila. Let's open this. Don't mind my hair pala. Hindi pa ako
One
nag-apply.
second. Soon you open that. Look for skin.
Wait. Let your brother smell it. How is it? What's your rate? 1 to 10? 10? And you?
I can do any weight I want.
Of course you can. Whatever you think is nice.
God weight.
Not God rate. 1 to 10. You like it? Is it nice, Kuya? You like? Finish? No more? Done? Oh, one more? Okay, sit here.
Oh. Give me all I can eat.
No, just get one.
Nandadaya lang yun.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay?
No, that's it. That's two.
Yeah, just 2. No, enough, guys. Okay, 3 each. Okay. No, 5 no, it's too much.
I'm 5 years old.
No, 3 each. Okay.
Five for hamster.
You like it?
Whole chocolate. Look.
Tulog na yung mga kids. And yan si Mama. Nanonood ng Batang Quiapo. Me here. editing. I need to start editing na. Seryosong seryoso sa batang kaya po niya.